Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Toys channel. I'm gonna go to the Hot Toys store because today they have released tons and tons of Iron Man, i.e. around 7 of them in total. Without further ado, let's hit it! So I just got the Iron Man Cosbaby. And let me go back and open it up for you guys, and as always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this: Marvel, Hot Toys, Demon Slayer, vlogs, Pokemon, etc. And let's head back. Right guys, and we are back. I've got the Origins Collection Iron Man right here. This one of course resembles more of the Iron Man that we've come to know from the comics instead of the MCU version that we've got over the past decade or so. Actually, before I continue, I've also got quite a lot of other shit. Just want to share with you guys as well, of course. A full set of random Snoopies, full set of random animals, a full set of cactus animals, a full set of hanging animals, full set of Doraemons, pencil holding elephant, leg tongue Shiba Inu, weird moose statue, and the entire set of the Lego Marvel minifigs, the latest ones of course, with the What If, Loki, and other stuff like that in the series. So there, and there. Of course, I'll be unboxing those in due course. In this video, of course, I am going to stay true to this Iron Man Cosbaby from Hot Toys. Hope you have a good time on my channel. Without further ado, let's hit it! Let's have a look at the box art first. The box was actually the first thing that caught my eyes while I was in the store because it's so unique. It's got all these golden printed Iron Mans and effects all over the box. As you can see, with the light, it's a bit shiny, so it looks pretty damn good in person. The main reason why I like this one is because it has all these transparent acrylic pieces over the head and the body area. Also at the bottom, as you can see, the background has got a lot of the comic covers as well. And this one, of course, is the Iron Man from the Origins collection, and I think Hot Toys is trying to build another line just to further milk the Iron Man series, because now that Tony Stark is dead, of course, in the MCU. Moving on to the right, there is the illustration of the Cosbaby, Marvel superheroes at the top, and you have a clearer view as to how this Iron Man looks like with the transparent bits. Again, this is what I like about this specific Iron Man. It makes it special. It's something that we haven't seen before because we're all really tired by now as to all the Iron Mans that were given to us by Hot Toys. At the bottom, this depicts that this is the 867th Cosbaby that we have in the series. On the back is another side that I really like. It replicates what they are trying to do from the comics. As you can see, the overall aesthetic is trying to replicate what they've done from the comic covers, and I think it's definitely a lot better than the usual warnings and cautions that we get. The very bland page on the box of the Cosbaby series, and also more Iron Mans here and there, and again printed in these golden forms all around the box. And on the other side, Marvel team up, help resist rust. An Iron Man you've never seen before, yes, damn right, because this is a very different Iron Man that we are given here. I think with these kind of golden motifs with the polka dots here, and these kind of emphasizing lines from the comics, it really gives that extra flavor to the box itself, and it's definitely a box that I really like beyond the WandaVision one that I have opened up previously. So you can check that out in the video down below as well with the link here. Also at the top there is the very classic Iron Man logo in the 3D wannabe form, and I think we can get this bad boy open. Wow, I really like the back of the box. It looks really cool. So I can see the Invincible Iron Man and also Invincible Iron Man and the normal Iron Man here at the top. And it looks pretty darn cool. Ooh, nice. Wow, I really like what I'm seeing here right now. Although the design is definitely debatable, but in regards to what I like is of the transparent pieces that lies across the head area as well as the body area. It does the job, it is nice, and it's quite refreshing to see because we don't really usually get any Iron Mans like this, especially with the transparent pieces sticking all over the different body parts. So let's start off with the head first. So with the face, it's trying to replicate what they've done from the comics, as you can see kind of here on the left hand side with the box art of the head. So definitely we see that notion on the mouth as well as some of the eye areas. And the line from the mouthpiece runs all the way to the side of the head. This is where we encounter this transparent part. Underneath it lies the red part for the head. And it looks pretty good and pretty kind of futuristic. And there are all these lines sculpted throughout the transparent piece depicting the head of the Iron Man. And basically down below is just a smooth red blob because you can essentially see that the lines get reflected by the light to the red layer below down here. And I don't think I can open this up without breaking it or without risking of breaking it, so I'm not going to pop that open here. Okay, quick correction, I might be wrong because in the body part we can actually see the lines being printed on the red. As you can see, the black lines are there with the red body that lies behind this transparent layer, so it's pretty cool, but I really am not sure whether the lines are imprinted on the helmet areas as well. But anyhow, with the arc reactor, it has a solid color in gold at the bottom, well, below this transparent layer, and also the kind of 6 packs that are over this part of the torso area. Also moving down to the pants area is also covered by this layer of transparent piece. Looks pretty good, and with the hand gestures, it's just the usual Iron Man blasting his hand blasters. And this one, of course, has the usual gold and red aesthetic that is done nicely here. And also with the scalp, it is a pretty simplistic scalp, but in terms of the linings, it depicts the classic Iron Man that was seen in the comics here. And also with the red, it's kind of like a glove for this particular Iron Man. For the legs and feet itself, it is similar to the arms, so you have got quite a chunky bit of gold here with where the muscles are on the thighs, and also some red boots at the bottom for the feet. It looks pretty fresh, I think. Moving to the back, we have got more of this transparent piece, and also you can kind of look at how this transparent piece is from the helmet area to the torso area, which is pretty good, to be honest. I really like it. It's something that we haven't seen before. We've brought that design down to the hip area, so that's pretty nice. So at the bottom for the base, not a lot going on other than a transparent piece with the Iron Man tech all over in circular form. And no Hot Toys trademark blah blah blah, but there is the Hot Toys trademark blah 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 at the feet. So let's plug that back in. In terms of the wobbleness, I think it does its job. It's not super wobbly, but it's wobbly to a point where you'll be satisfied. guys, so what do you think of this Iron Man? Is this the Iron Man for you? Do you like the comic version of the Iron Man? Or do you like the MCU version better? I think this is definitely a really fresh take on the Iron Man Cosbaby figure because we've grown accustomed to the conventional Iron Man design for over a decade now. So this is definitely something fresh. I'm glad Hot Toys is doing something new. Although some people are saying with the bigger version, they're not really on board with it in terms of the design and removing the plastic parts as you can see here. So for me, I like it. I may be one of the minorities that like it, and also I think this kind of makes it more special. This material reflects kind of the futuristic tech that the Iron Man has, kind of like one of those transparent protective shields in games and stuff. So I do quite like this one. As always, please kindly like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. I've got tons of videos on Cosbaby, more Hot Toys, more Marvel, Pokemon, Demon Slayer, PS5 stuff, vlogs. I do all tons of stuff on my channel. Have a good time on my channel and stay safe. I'll see you guys next time, and bye now.